This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix QR code not working on iPhone. If you are experiencing problem with scanning QR code on your iPhone, to solve the QR code scanning problem on iPhone, follow these simple steps to solve this issue. So the first solution is enable scan QR code in settings. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on camera, and you will get scan QR codes option here. Make sure to turn on this option. If it's already turned on, then turn off it and turn it back on, and then check the issue. And the second solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of problems. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. And the third solution is reset camera settings. Go to settings app, scroll down and tap on general. Scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Once done, restart your iPhone again and check the problem. And if you're still facing the same problem, then try a different app to scan QR code. You can download other apps from App Store. So go to your App Store and search for QR code scanner, and you will get here a bunch of different apps to scan your QR code. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.